Welcome back to our channel. Paper 3, option C, imaging. Question 13. The question is about reflecting telescope. A lot of data. Remember the skill. Mark the variable beside the data. It helps you to know which equation to use. First, 1.1 meter. Focal length of the objective lens, so it's f0. And 0.34 radian, or observed image, observed angle, so it's theta image. So you have to find their partners, right? Focal length of the eyepiece, yes, is the question about. And you have to find theta objects, subtending the angle. What's the object? The moon. You got all the data here. Remember how to use them. So the moon is here. We have the diameter of the moon. And it is at a distance very far away from the Earth. So this is the theta O, because they are very far away, so you can treat it as an arc, small angle approximation. So the radian, theta not in radian, it's just d over d. So you find this thing first. Okay, it must be used, I'm sure, to keep with the data. So 3,500 over 380,000. Calculator, two figure, so the intermediate step you got a 3, so okay, 9.21 10 to the power -3, and it's in the units of radian. And then next one, you have to think about how to relate this four thing. Okay, theta naught, theta I, f naught, and fe. Yes, they are related by magnification. Look at the data booklet. Always paper 3, look it up from the data booklet. They guide you what to find and how to find the solution. Magnification, first of all, definition, right? It is angular magnification, so image over object angle. And then it is a telescope. So for this apparatus, the magnification is FO over FE, or from the data booklet, just got the two correct ones. So you substitute all the thing inside. Be careful, don't make mistake, don't make careless mistake. So 0.34, 9.21 times 10 to the power -3. Which one is given? F naught. You mark it, you see, very useful. And FE is unknown. So give yourself some time, okay, to do the calculation. And remember, use scientific notation for the final result. And also two significant, because all are two significant. So approximately is a 3.0 times 10 to the power -2. And the unit, copy the units of the f0 meter. You got it. You see, we can. Well done.